Hey everyone, this video we are going to cover some issues associated with diamond cuts and some layer namings. So let's get started. This time let's select two files, process selected, generate media, and you can see the object is loaded. Now this time, since we selected two files, those options are shown here. You can quickly switch between these. And immediately what you notice is that the diamond cuts on this oval shape looks very weird. In fact, they have taken cuts from the emerald shape. Now, the reason is that in both the files, the layers assigned to both emerald and these oval, and in fact, even to this side diamond is same, which is gem02. So if you go to emerald shape, you can see that the same layer name is assigned to that. And that's the reason for this issue. So you need to make sure that in your Rhino or Matrix or in any other software where you're assigning layers, different or unique diamond shapes should have unique layer names. That's very important. So let's try to fix that in Playground with these two files. We'll go to Playground first and load our, first of all, the emerald ring, scene setting. Let's apply any of them. And if you notice this one, this is called, its layer name is appearing here in the picking and the physical material gem02. So let's call it emerald for meaningful name. This layer name is metal01, so we'll keep it. Also, let's upload the second file, which had the round cut. And let's hide the hierarchy. We can hide the other one just to see this file. Let's see what this name is, layer 5. Let's call it round. And this one is called default, so we'll call it metal01 so that we are consistent. And we already have the material, the metal layer. So if you change this, it should apply to the scene. For this round, we need to create, since there is no layer right now on this setting, so what we can do is, let's delete all the settings which we don't need. So let's do that. Gem02 is not needed. Gem1 and Gem3 is not needed. So I'll remove all of these here. And first of all, we can make this a diamond. So for that, go to gemstone, make it a diamond. That's fine. And create different intensity for this. Any changes you want to do in this material, you can do here. And go to the configuration, material configurator, and add variation. And you can see that the round variation is added here. Now, let's go to the other ring, which was emerald. And for this also, we'll assign a diamond material. This is assigned. Change the intensity a bit. And now go to configurator and add variation. And you can see that the emerald and round, both of these layered name definitions are created here. Now what you can do is, you can go to export and asset export, GLB export. You don't need the scene settings. Just do the file export, call it emerald ring. Let's export this. And then we can go to picking again. This time we'll just export the round file, export this, and these will contain the definition for both for the layers. Apart from that, we also need to save the scene settings. So let's go to asset export. This time we want to save the scene settings, export all viewer config. All right, so we are all ready now. So go to iJewel Studio. Let's create a new folder here in projects. We are done here. Go to this project and let's upload our files here. Now the files are uploaded, and let's select both the files, or we can say process all, generate media. And this time let's see how the other ring looks. And it looks perfect. You have your metals, but as you can see, there is no layer for diamonds here. So because we need to upload our settings which we had created, so we now upload these settings and this should update. And you can see now the layer definition for round and emerald is here. If you want to create more combinations here, you can easily do that by going to, let's say if you want to create for round shape more combinations, let's just choose another color. Let's say this one. Increase the absorption slightly more darker and just go to variation, configurator, add variation. So you have two variations for this. Go to export and export the viewer config here. Let's upload the new one here. And this is loaded, and you can see that the new setting is loaded for this one. Now we can go to our outputs. Let's only generate images. Go to the next section. Let's see how many credits are needed. Okay, this looks good. Submit the job. And now this job is created, which you should be able to see in your dashboard, which is running here, or you can see it here as well. Now we can go to the test project and see in the images section, and you can see that the emerald ring is finished. It has 9 combinations, and looks like the job is still running, which you should be able to see in your dashboard. It's still running because it's finishing the other ring. So let's just wait for that for a few minutes. Okay, the job is finished now. Now we can go and see in the image section. You can see that for the round ring, 18 combinations are generated. You can see all of them here with gold colors and the diamond option. And this also has, as you can see, fixed the issue of having the wrong diamond cuts, the round diamond showing the right cut, and also if we go to the project images, the emerald cut is showing the right cuts. You can now select all of them and let's say download all of these images here to any section, and then upload it to anywhere you want. So that's all for this video. We are going to cover more things in the next coming videos, but till then, thank you so much for watching.